Morning, Lucky. Breakfast ready? You're a good dog, Lucky. Whimper. Something's wrong with that antenna.
Angles are off.
Comms, I need a status check on exterior module 7. What is that?
A new sequence. Analyzing uplink rhythm. Comparison with baseline. The disturbance points outward.
Second sign confirming. Diagnosis complete. The uplink is off cycle. It's tied to the comms.
Trace it. It has to be the antenna.
Affirmative. Proceeding to antenna assembly. Still. Good. All right, Lucky, let's check the weather. The data correlates with Lucky's reading. It's electrostatic change. The offset is slight but consistent. Looks like a surface repair becomes the day's immediate task. Woof. Lucky, look at that. Whimper. Interesting. Check that route. Bark. Seals checked. Tools configured. All systems nominal. Misaligned. No reason to wait. Copy that, Commander. Seals checked. System nominal. Affirmative. Comms and support are online. We're ready. Prep area clear. Tools ready for Aiden. Antenna repair, signal verification, safe return.
Good dog, Lucky. Good girl.
Airlock activating now.
System cycling complete. Airlock integrity confirmed.
Okay, Lucky. Looks like we have company out there. Check the sensors.
All right, Hab 1 check. Antenna's clear, mast is damaged. Commencing EVA. The misalignment matches. Let's say this. But there's fresh dust here too. This is more than just an angle fix.
Analyzing the upper joint. Minor misalignment appears jammed. Proceeding with caution.
Okay, the collar is in place. Hold, it's holding, finally.
Powering the comm cluster now.
Comm check. Power restored. Clean signal.
The signal is real.
I'm getting a lock, it's clearing.
They're alive.
I see them.
The image resolves.
I see repeating artifacts.
Watch for reflection.
It's rational, but terrifying.
Capture confirmed. Transferring data now. Checking mast recovery pulse. Signal relation preserved. Evidence shared. Hab 1. Analysis begins. Packet strengthens. It's terrain, not orbital.
Roger. Map work begins now. We're chasing that direction.
The probable line intersects a suspicious blank wedge. Next, a hidden ground source becomes the leading explanation.
Orbital reflection eliminated. Affirmative. Earth answers.
Earth base, this is K. Aiden's. Signal restored.
Do not attempt to trace this signal source, K. Aiden's.
The perimeter doesn't make sense.
I know. That's exactly where they don't want anyone to go.
Packet forwarded. Verification complete. No signal reply. Checking route stability.
Receiving coordinates. Tracking to source. Keep eyes on the line.
Confirmed. Watch your back trail.
The geometry doesn't match natural formations. Checking against archived data. Confirmation. The mound is engineered to hide something.
The spacing is old and nearly erased, but the line is too purposeful to be natural runneling.
Analyzing track data. Route confirms old ground infrastructure.
Understood. Proceeding to hidden sector.
The path is fading. The rocks look right. Mark them. Wait. What is that?
The hum. It's too steady. The ground gave slightly. There's a void. I can feel it. I need to get back to Hab 1.
The glint holds a straight path. It's a buried cable.
The pulse cadence matches the restore. The dormant hardware is re-energized.
Heading outside to trace the cable.
The trail becomes a physical guide more trustworthy than the map. It leads toward a damaged relay structure. Cable's intact this far. Leads to the broken relay pillar ahead. Checking the terminal. It might be a power or sensor bridge. Analyzing exposed geometry. It suggests a repeater function. Confirmed. Testing whether the wake timing fits that role.
Relay pulse aligned. Mass timing checked. Video rhythm matched. Confirmed. Dormant emergency playback. It's
Pillar to mast alignment. Confirmed. Finding the third point.
Found it. The reflection.
I've lost it. The glare is too strong.
Hab 1, confirm visual on Aiden?
pulse established. Confirmation requested.
Signal locked. Proceeding with approach. Receiving the correct vector. Commencing approach.
Unstable. Too close. Affirmative. Retracting.
The rock holds. Interior, confirm the line.
Confirmed. Cadence. Trace the basalt seam.
Copy that.
Analyzing topography.
Seam identified. Path refined.
Confirmation required.
Affirmative. Proceeding to surface.
I see something. A split. Too perfect. Confirmation.
Every mark is old, softened, and consistent with long abandonment.
Initiating diagnostic sequence.
No pressure change.
This is an archived message. Repeat, this is an archived message.
The archives confirm it. This place was sealed deliberately.
The fracture pattern is old, frozen.
And it suggests a critical failure.
Analyzing data. System profile matches, closed survival trial. Colony revealed, life support.
The damage pattern fits structural failure plus contamination, not sabotage or combat.
Station status. Quarantine decision initiated.
Main hatch is sealed. Proceed to the exterior data port.
Acknowledged. Building transfer route now. I've found the path. Initiating coupling.
Connection confirmed. Quarantine preserved.
Engaging. Station acknowledges. Slow power up. Steady.
Access granted. Exterior only. Habitat remains sealed.
The pumps are still running. The biome is intact. Hab 1, I'm sending it up now.
Earthlink stable. Initiating archive transfer. Starting bulk download.
Transfer initiated. Connection stable.
Archives are flowing.
I feel a residual power awakening beneath the hull.
Hab 1, the station's in overload. I'm backing up. Advise immediate action.
Analyzing system cascade. 2 options remain: data extraction or biohazard breach. Awaiting external verification.
Condition critical. Failure imminent.
Hold the transfer, Aiden.
Impossible. Initiating isolation protocols.
Initiating exterior isolate and close. Stand by for quarantine lock. Integrity checks confirmed. Remote handshake initiated. Isolation command in.
Acknowledged. Uplink established.
Channel is stable. Confirmation received.
Locking sequence initiated.
Actuating exterior latch.
Logs inbound. Keep the channel open.
Receiving high priority packets. It's working.
They're powering it down. It's clean. Look at the rhythm. Not a collapse.
This is Commander Anya. Archive protocol engaged. Goodbye, team. This is Commander Protocol engaged. Goodbye, team.
No living colony found. Only preserved systems and recorded data. Earth must acknowledge this now.
Initiating final sterile closure. Final shutdown protocol initiated. Greenhouse extinction complete. Withdraw.
Trying to reacquire. Losing signal. Turning antenna now, Cadence. Don't drift. Pulse is stable. Signal is strong.
Understood. I'm on the slope. Mission's coming home.
Pulse timing clean. He's got us steady.
Target marker acquired. Heading home.
Antenna confirmed. Pulse steady. Hab 1 in sight. Route confirmed. Quarantined. Status clear. Re-entry commencing.
This is Aiden. We've recovered the archive, ready for transfer.
Received, Aiden. Initiating secure download. On Mars, the worst silence is not emptiness, but the silence we build and bury.
But the hum of this antenna proves one buried silence ended today.